Okay, so this is my first PC build, and the goal is to build a Nix machine that can do sort of basic creativity, business stuff, and basic CAD stuff. It's kind of like an entry level for all things. So here's what I have so far. Let's see if you can see this. I have 3700X. I was sort of looking at different boards, different processors. These are, I got a Ryzen 9 5900X, and I'm like, I want to build with this 9, but it's more expensive. It's my first build. I'm kind of scared if I mess something up, I'm going to end up breaking the graphics, breaking something expensive. So I tried to, I was originally going to go, it's not even listed here, with the 5500, Ryzen 5 5500, but I've wanted the 3700X because someone I know uses it for CAD in robotics. So the 3900X was a good deal used, and our goal is also to use all used parts. So this motherboard's available. These are the used prices, by the way, the prices that I typed in. And so the plan is to use all used, as I said. This is a board that's available. I'm not sure if we're going to use this. And then I have this Hynix RAM, this SK Hynix RAM. It's actually not this one, but this one isn't. The one that's 8GB isn't popping up. I don't think that's a problem. It's 8GB DDR4 something, and this is the 16GB that's listed. So we'll see. It is AM4, so that should work. And then I'm going to just start with a really simple SSD. I don't know if you can do a bigger one. This one's 250GB. Again, this is the one, the person that I know who has a computer with robotics does this. They're a mechanical engineer, so I kind of trust their judgment on some PC parts things. And then this video card is very interesting because it was available for $25 when I got it, and there was only a few left, so I just jumped on it. Yeah, it only has 2GB of RAM. I know nothing about video cards. I've never had a dedicated video card before. I had PCs growing up, but they were business machines that I would use that were someone that I knew, and then when I started using Apple computers after that. So that's what we have so far. So what we're gonna do is figure out a power supply. And a power supply is not something I want to mess with. I want to get a used one, obviously. Like I said, with everything, I'm going to keep repeating that. Because it's, I don't know, weird. And I think I'm going to go with Corsair because there was this dude, I don't know, I basically just, you got to trust people on the web when you're learning stuff to some degree if you don't know what you're doing. So I think I'm going to get a Corsair power supply. And let's just see what they have. Corsair. Price. Bottom to top. 80 plus bronze. And I'm thinking I'm going to get 80 plus gold. I really want to get yeah, we'll get this one. Full inside, modular, full side. Maybe I'll get a modular, full. Yeah, we'll do that. I have a feeling more modular is better, and that's not 80 plus gold, so I guess we'll get this one, the RM. So, yeah, let's see what this is. Oh, Corsair sells it directly. Crapple. I don't know if we're going to be able to get used. I've gone all over the place with all of these parts and been doing a ton of research. We're going to use this as a placeholder, but I would really like to buy used. So let's figure out this CPU cooler. I don't know. I'm thinking probably not for now. I guess the whole cooling thing, like I think it's really important to have really good cooling, but I don't understand, like a lot of it has to do with the case, I think, and just the airflow and whatnot. Yeah, I'm totally out of my depth on that. So let's look at, where is motherboard? We're gonna shop the motherboard, because I would have to pick that motherboard up far away, and I don't want to do that. Doesn't seem efficient or smart. So let's see. Well, because we're trying to make a machine, right? Like I want to build machines for engineers. Let's go to Malaway. Let's see if I can bring this up real quick. David Malaway lab. Open lab. This documentation's all over the place. Meet the team, the David lab. That's really frustrating. I think he has something like this. He has like a gaming thing. It's not micro ATX, and I also decided after seeing a micro ATX case and realizing it was going to be a hassle, like I was going to do an ATX build. You just learn things when you start to buy parts and realize they're not what you want. So I think this is the one. Yeah, this actually, I'm nearly positive this is the one that dude has. Let's see if it's used. Buy new for $139. Alright, so you saved $20 if you buy used. Let's see who this. Oh wow, there's only one left. I'm actually gonna stop this video to buy this right now.